Yes.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Nasi muchero.
Oh, mutsvairo. Ndiri
Mucharo.
kutsvaira.
Ndiri kumutsvaira.
Ndiri kutsvaira.
Okay, nasi ndiri kutsvaira.
Good job.
All right, and also nasi deka muchena, Zambia, and nedugu.
Dakasunga Zambia.
Dakasunga Zambia, neduk musoro. Daka fita here.
Yes, Murora is asking. Nasi dakasunga Zambia.
Zambia.
Neduku musoro. Dakafitwa here.
Yes.
Dakachena here. Dakafitwa here. Yes, good job.
Yeah. So.
Yes, I've got another question for you.
Okay.
Tell me, what is the most interesting thing about being a daughter-in-law in Zimbabwe, about being a Murora in Zimbabwe?
All right. Yes. Oh, the greeting part, like when you greet your in-laws in Makadini and then you're kneeling down. That was so amazing for me because we don't do it in our culture.
All right.
So that was really amazing for me.
All right.
So,
all right.
What do you call that one?
All right. Oh, you mean this one?
Yeah.
We call it Kuchkora Muzura.
Kuchora Muzura.
Yes, Kuchkora Muzura.
Kuchera Muzura.
Yes, good job. You're doing well.
All right.
Yes, what about other things?
And then also like when you come and then you greet.
When visitors come.
When
right?
the visitors come, then you greet.
Right.
And again you sit down, you take your time and then again greeting. It was like also two times that you need to greet. For what reason?
Right.
Sometimes I was forgetting to greet the second time.
All right.
Yeah.
What about the cooking salsa? Someone was asking, I see someone was still asking again, that do you know how to cook salsa? No gonna kumona salsa.
Yes, I cook salsa.
You cook salsa?
I cook for my husband. I can cook for 3-4 person.
What about derere?
Dorere, yes, I cook my own way.
You know derere, right?
Yes, okra.
Yes, okra. Yes. So, you guys, you have heard from Rora. I hope you're still enjoying our videos.
Yes.
We kindly ask you to follow our Facebook page and to subscribe to our YouTube channel. God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. God bless you.
Amen.